Okay, guys, this is how you get kicks for purchases. You open up Shopkick, let it load up, and you have 2 or 3 different ways to get kicks. You can go into the store, you get kicks for walking into the stores. You have to look though, but you get kicks online for every purchase you make from any of these online retailers. All you do is you just click shop by the one. It tells you how many kicks you get for each dollar, and it works for any item that you buy. It's not just items that they tell you to buy, unlike when you go into stores. Now, when you go into a store, you will get kicks for just walking into the stores that are in the list. And it'll have a little guy beside it showing you that you get kicks for walking in and how many kicks you get for walking in. Now, while you're in the store, they have a list of products that you can pick up off the shelf and just scan with your phone in the Shopkick app, and you will get kicks for doing that. Now, getting kicks for purchases in stores, they're going to ask you to buy certain things, so you really won't get your kicks. If you don't buy that kind of stuff or whatever, you won't get your kicks that way. But walking into stores, shopping online, and scanning products in stores are the best ways to get kicks. Now, when you're buying stuff online, you can actually get a whole lot of kicks if you buy quite a bit of things. Now, here all you have to do is just hit the shop button, and Shopkick will open you up in eBay or Walmart or wherever you want to shop out of the list. And for every little bit, like this is 40 something bucks right here, that'd be 40 times 5. That's what, 200 kicks right there. That's like half of a gift card already. That's all you have to do is just shop through the Shopkick app to whatever store in their list that you want to go to, and you'll get the kicks. It's as easy as pie. I got 6,000 kicks just for buying a drone from eBay. So here's the list right here of the ones that you can walk into. Now you see the little barcode. That's where you're going to want to click on that, and it'll show you what to scan, and you'll get points for that. Target, you just walk in and get 15 points. Marshalls, you just walk in and get 50 points. Walmart, 15 points for walking in. See the little guy beside it? That's how you do it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this app and make a lot of gift cards. Thanks. We'll see you guys later. Peace out.